Hey guys, welcome back. Steven's Truck Bar here. Just want to show you some cool stuff we've found in the shop lately. This looks like a 7.3 Power Stroke. It is not. It is out of an International, same fuel system, so that's why they look pretty much exactly the same. But what I wanted to show is the tip blowing off this injector right here. I don't know if the light helps or hurts.
Probably hurts.
But as you can see, that the tip is blown off right there. This truck came in smoking and running horribly, and that is why we got the injectors out and found that tip blown off. You got to be real careful with something like that and not run it. That'll wash the cylinder down in a hurry and lose the compression in that hole and send you on your way to an in-frame or an overhaul. So something like that happens, that's something you got to get changed immediately. Tow it, don't drive it. You'll save yourself a lot of grief by not driving something like that. I know it's hard to know what you got because it's still in the truck, right? But if it's smoking and running horrible, good rule of thumb is don't drive it. If you got a miss, it's not smoking, you can probably get somewhere. Anyway, tip blown off, kind of cool. You don't see it every day, but we've seen our share of them. I got another one here for you, since we're talking injectors and tips. But this is 24 valve Cummins injector, and as you can see, this looks fairly normal. Like, again, the light probably hurts, but on further inspection, you spray it with a little starting fluid right here and let it dry. Let me find it real quick, and we will find a cracked tip right there. I don't know if that's what, see that line showing up? Right there. That tip is cracked. Never know that if you didn't do that. But anyway, it took us a while to find that. Kind of the same symptom. Blowing a lot of smoke, running bad, and just from experience, I thought that's got to have a tip blown off. And we didn't find one immediately, but we found a good crack in that one after we ethered a little bit and let it dry, and that ether shows that crack up. So check your injector tips, but yeah, good rule of thumb on injectors: if it's smoking, don't drive it. You'll save yourself a motor. Thanks.